Hey everybody, I am Harshita and welcome back to my YT channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do the outlines, these cute outlines on the eyes and the hairs. So for that you will need an application which is ibisPaintX. So open ibisPaintX and import a picture. Now just follow the steps I'm doing. So this is how you can make this super cute and easy outline edit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and please like, comment and share. Thank you.